Welcome back, creative souls. Thank you for being here. This exercise is specifically for anger. You can do this anywhere at any time when it strikes. You're just going to need a pencil, pen, and some paper. Start off with gliding your hand gently across the surface, taking up and making as many shapes as possible with one continuous line. Pay attention to the way you're pressing on the paper. Are you holding the pen in a very heavy way, forceful way? Just glide. With another pen or the same pen or whatever you choose, go within each inner shape, making lines, squiggles, doodles, being creative and just filling it up. This is going to help you relax, calm down your breathing, get you back in the center, in the current moment, bring you back to yourself. Honestly speaking, I felt a true change within 2 minutes in, but I continued on my creative journey, as this was an exercise that surprisingly became a tool that I was curious to see what the end result would be and where my mindset would be. I want you to notice how long it takes you to get to yourself, to a calm state of mind, state of being. All right, I'm going to lay back in the back and allow you to continue with your art and let this vibe just take over. I hope this video allows you to gain perspective about where the anger was coming from, why it made you angry, and in the end, reward yourself and give yourself much gratitude for choosing this quick and easy exercise rather than retaliating or saying something in the heat of the moment that you may not want out in the universe and possibly couldn't take back. I applaud you for continuing on a creative wellness journey. Do share this with others who need a new perspective of evolution, creative outlets. Maybe someone is dealing with heavy emotions and they need something quick and easy to do. Gift them with this video. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy. Peace.